The struggles of wash days. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video where I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my winter wash day routine. If you're new here, welcome. Buckle up because you are going to love it here, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So here I'm using my omelet infused shampoo, which is the one that I'm currently formulating for my hair care line. But on a normal wash day, I do like to use the Camille Rose Ginger Cleansing Shampoo.
I'm scared of the changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah. Prestige in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Prestige in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Wow, I can understand, you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see
And you guys are probably wondering, why am I wearing gloves? This is because at the time I did have nails on, and I noticed that they were really snagging and tugging at my hair, and that causes breakage. So we definitely didn't want that, which is why I wore the gloves. And then next thing, I'm going to get my hair tea, which I have several videos on my social media platforms on how to make them. My hair tea normally contains horsetail, hibiscus, amla powder, and I basically just boil it on the stove for 5 to 10 minutes, let it cool down, and then I'll go ahead and add that to my hair just for extra slip, extra strength, and also because these herbs are well known to promote healthy hair growth. And then I'll leave that in my hair and go in with my deep conditioner while that's still in.
sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new, and he made me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do, all of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good. Hush, these things my life, I'm going through my soul, so love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars and tears.
So before I detangle with my unbrush, I do like to go in with my maximum strength oil from my hair care line just to get that extra slip and those added benefits from all those good herbs. When I'm done washing my hair while it's still damp, I do like to follow the LCO method. So that is liquid, cream, oil, and or butter. So here I'll be using the leave-in from my hair care line and also the hair butter from my hairline along with the oil again that you guys seen me use earlier.
What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just can't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, oh, to Jesus I surrender.
One thing that I've realized with the Rev Air is that you have to work in smaller pieces. You cannot get a handful of a section and put it in the Rev Air and think that you're going to get, straight hair. It's not going to work.
I'm in awe. Oh my God. the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're feeling, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing?
Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I surrender all.
All right, y'all, and that is pretty much what my winter wash day routine looks like. I like to keep it short and sweet, and then after I stretch out my hair, I just put it into about 6, 7, 8 braids, and then I just repeat that process in another 2-3 weeks. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you are interested in products from my hair care line, make sure you check out the link in the description box. Bye, guys.